2004 Buick Regal LS. I replaced turn signals with LEDs and I get hyper flashing. You can hear it. You can see the light right there. So I didn't find a good video online on how to take it or how to find it. Here it is right here. So you do have to take this side panel out. And it just has 3 clips on it. 1, 2, 3. And it's just like a friction clip. Get something in here. I kind of scratched it up right here. 1, 2, 3. Pry them off. I thought I had to take the lower dash out, take the carpet. I leaned the seat back. I was upside down on the thing. It's 115-degree heating index today. You don't have to do that. There is a cutout right here. You're supposed to be able to get your hand in there. And I could get my hand in there, but found out I kind of got it almost wedged in there. So I just took a utility knife and kind of scored a bigger opening. You don't want to go past that notch, and you want to keep these notches because that's how the panel gets back in. And you'll see, I think that's the hazard relay, and underneath it is the flasher one. And here is the OEM. And this little bracket right there, it kind of slides into this tower, right? So I got in there and pulled it off. And let me show you the new one. And here is the new one. It's just some cheapie I found on Amazon. I can't imagine I paid more than 12 or 13, 15 bucks for it. It's not quite the same design, so you're going to lose that little notch to put it back on the tower, but honestly, I might just kind of throw it in there. It's let it just bounce around maybe. But you can hear it clicking normal now. And if you can see the dash, right there, maybe. I will say it kind of blinks for one more second after you turn it off. Hear that? Anyway, I hope that helps someone out here. I didn't find a good video online, and I think that's we're gonna call this job done. Call it a day. Thanks.